to all defense attorneys representing clients and all potential jurors in Montcalm County, Michigan. My name is Shawn Evans, and Andrea Krause, Christopher Heckman, and Chief Judge Suzanne Kreeger used color of law violations in order to deprive me of my lawful rights. These individuals ignored well-documented evidence, my medical rights, my legal rights, and the will of the people of the state of Michigan in order to uphold their unlawful cannabis bias. My case on file in the court of Montcalm County, Michigan will demonstrate this allegation and the lengths these individuals will go through to deprive the lawful due process rights of individuals in this court. I will testify to this under oath and on court record for any legal defense in the county of Montcalm. These individuals, Andrea Krause, Christopher Heckman, and Chief Judge Suzanne Kreeger, have all willfully conspired to obstruct justice, violated their oath of office and abused their power and authority. I can show and demonstrate this allegation for any and all that wish to know, and I will do so, under oath and penalty of perjury. If this was done in my case, exactly how many other cases have they done this to, and are doing so right now? Integrity and credibility are very important concepts in the court of law, and these people simply do not have it on all cases. These individuals' bias seems to be more important than their willful oath of office to uphold my lawful rights and the Michigan State and United States Constitution and laws. They made that willful choice and decision, and they must now live with the consequences of their willful actions, that they are actively trying to hide and cover up. Have these individuals done good work for the people? Absolutely. Does that excuse cases like mine? Absolutely not. These people actively ignored vital evidence, the law, and the will of the people to uphold their own cannabis bias in direct willful violation of their oath of office, of which such legal conduct was made specifically against the law by the people of the state of Michigan themselves. These people signed an oath of office that they willfully violated. Let these facts be known to any jury, that I have demonstrable proof that these people ignored evidence and the law, violated many of my rights, willfully violated their oath of office and abused their power and authority. These are reasonable doubts that any jury should be made aware with regarding the professional integrity of these individuals and their legal conduct. If you see these individuals, please ask them why they get to ignore the truth, reality, well-documented evidence from many medical files, the law and a person's lawful medical rights, and the will of the people of the state of Michigan. The only logical conclusion one can make is their well-documented, on the record, cannabis bias that they think no one should be allowed the freedom of choice to make on their own, and any use needs to be severely punished. They do this in the name of the people, on behalf of the people, when the people specifically passed a law to stop that conduct, of which, each of these individuals clearly ignored that law and the will of the people. Please verify my allegations for yourselves. Get a copy of my case file and review the court transcripts of all the interactions regarding this case and see how that makes you feel about these individuals' legal and professional integrity. Please look for my other videos on YouTube to see what this is all about. In pursuit of truth and justice. Shawn Evans, Montcalm County, Michigan. Brought to you by a private concerned citizen and voter, who demands personal accountability in their elected officials and those that they appoint.